If you need to password protect multiple WordPress pages with one password, the Password Protect WordPress Pro plugin and its group protection extension have you covered. It lets you group pages, posts, and WooCommerce products together, set one password, and your visitors unlock everything in a single step. Here's how. Step 1. Once the plugin and its extension are active, from your WordPress admin panel, go to Password Protect WordPress and click Groups. Step 2. Click Add New. Enter a name for your group and a description if you need one. Under Protection Type, choose Single to protect a group of pages together, or Site-wide to partially unlock an entire site protected with a site-wide password. The Parents field lets you link this group to a parent group so that the parent group password automatically unlocks this one too. Leave it empty for now. Click Add Content. From the first drop-down, select the content type, pages, posts, or products. Then choose how to add content to the group. The available options vary depending on the content type you select. Step 3. Search for a page title and click on it to add it to the group. Repeat for every page you want to include. Step 4. Click Save Changes. Each page will now show a badge with the group name ID in the password protection column, so you can easily identify which group they belong to. Step 5. Back on the group's dashboard, click Manage next to your group. Step 6. Switch to the Add New Password tab. Enter your password in the New Password field. Optionally add a label to identify it. Under Type, Global means anyone with the password can unlock the group. You can also set a usage limit and a password expiry. When you're done, click Add New. Your group is now protected. Step 7. Once saved, in the Manage Passwords tab you can see all your passwords. From here, you can copy the password, copy an access token, edit, deactivate, or delete any password with one click. Once a visitor enters the correct password on any page in the group, all the other pages become accessible automatically. No need to re-enter the password until their cookie expires. Subscribe for more WordPress security tutorials.